All right, so just in case you run into some errors, I think it's probably useful to know the basic error codes that you can receive. In general, if you get a 200 response, that means everything is good. If you get a 400 response, then the endpoint does exist, but you probably did something wrong in maybe selecting the wrong parameters. If you're unauthorized, that's the 401. 403 is just you generally cannot use it. 404 means it is not really like this endpoint does not exist. I would probably check the URL that you used before then. 429 it means you maybe have an infinite loop or you are not allowed to make as many requests as you wanted to. Then just slow down your request parameter. All right, so you have to select your virtual environment again, load in the environment variables, then just run through it. You get the Bitcoin price again. As you can see, this coin does not exist and you get an invalid symbol. If you have everything that is okay, then you get a 200. If that is okay, that is okay. Because the response object has a Boolean variable that means everything is okay. And that those API keys, those API libraries basically do almost everything for you already, and you can just work through it. All right, so this is basically it. This should be a markdown cell. I'm not really sure why it doesn't format. I'll try to fix this. You can change this into a markdown cell. Change cell to markdown. Okay, so now it's good. All right, if you're being rate limited, it just means you have to slow down, which you can do by setting some time. And in general, we try one time. And if we get rate limited, we add some wait. If we get wait time, if we get rate limited again, that is a little bit of a tongue breaker, then we would add more wait time, but maybe more than before, just to make sure into the loop that we don't get rate limited again. And in general, we try to make this exponential, just so we're very safe, very fast. So we try 1 second, 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 16 seconds, 32, etc. And this is basically how all of this works. You can try these yourself and let me know if you have any questions. I promise I will get better at this together with you by making these things a little bit more self-explanatory as we progress through the course.